Hello dear viewers. In this video, we shall find answers of the questions given in the exercise of the chapter When Granny Wanted a Lemon. Let's solve part B. Answer these questions. Why did Swaminathan's grandmother call him? Well, we all know that Swaminathan's grandmother called him because she was suffering from stomachache and wanted Swaminathan to bring lemons from the shop. Question number 2. What offer did she make? Did Swaminathan accept it? She offered Swaminathan 6 pies. 3 pies for bringing lemons and 3 pies she wanted Swaminathan to keep. It was a sort of bribe for Swaminathan. She wanted to talk to him diplomatically. However, Swaminathan did not accept the offer because bringing lemons would consume his whole evening time and he would not be able to spare time for his cricket match. So he rejected the offer. He did not accept the offer. Why did Swaminathan feel guilty? Swaminathan felt guilty because he did not bring lemons for his grandmother, in spite of knowing that she was suffering from stomachache. He was figuring out how would grandmother feel. He was feeling very bad, assuming that his grandmother would be in acute pain and she must be crying in pain. He felt very bad of himself because he considered his cricket match more important than health of his grandmother, who loved him so dearly. Let's jump on to the question number 4. What horrible passing doubt did Swaminathan have? Horrible means full of fear. Passing doubt means a doubt that was coming into his mind again and again. When Swaminathan went to grandmother's room and saw her face in a dim light, he was seized with a horrible passing doubt that she might be dead because of stomach ache. He got scared because he did not bring any lemon for her. In absence of lemon, she could not cure her stomachache, and because of that stomachache, she died. Question 5. Why was Swaminathan overjoyed in the end? Swaminathan was overjoyed in the end to know that grandmother was not upset with him. She told him that Swaminathan, had done the right thing in not going to the shop to bring the lemon because his mother had already kept a dozen of lemons in the kitchen. He felt extremely happy to see his dear grandmother healthy and that she was not upset with him. She did not stop loving him. Stay tuned for the next video.